course not for the beginners, but mostly for intermediate to advanced levels. So I hope you are familiar with the basic isolations of different parts of the bodies. So by isolation I mean to move the body part independently from the other body parts. So be able to move chest and not moving something else, or move the shoulders and don't move anything else, or move your hips or any other parts or joint that we have in our body. So I want to present to you some of the concepts which I use to train, to exercise, to develop my skills in isolations and layerings. So now we will talk mostly about isolations. So isolations and being able to do different isolations and different patterns with it. So let's start with the first concept, which is the size. And the size, I mean the size of the movement. So we can do some isolation, and we are really used to do isolation in a way we train it mostly in the class. So for example, for the chest lift we have ups and downs, and we normally do one size movement. So when we train or when we include it into our choreographies, it's mostly one and the same size. And I want you now to consciously find your usual size of your chest lifts and drops. So just as you usually do, up and down. Yeah, so this is up and this is down, this is up and down, up and down. So just how you usually do it. And find your usual hip lifts and drops. Yeah. So this is how you usually do it. Yeah. And now find your ups and downs with the elbows. So the usual ones that you train and use in the class. And shoulder ups and downs. Yeah, good. So this size we will call size 3. So it's our neutral size, which will be size 3. And now find your smallest size that you can. So the tiny one, the like minimum that you can do. So let's do the chest wall. So the minimum. And when you find it, find even less. So the minimum movement. And try to feel how it feels for you. Try to find if you have any tension in other body parts by doing it. Yeah, okay. And let's do the smallest hip lifts that you can. The smallest. Very, very tiny. Almost invisible. Yeah, good. And let's take the shoulder ups and down. Up, down. Very small. Up and down. With only one shoulder and the other. Up, down, up, down. Okay, and now let's find the biggest one. So the smallest one we will call size 1. And the biggest one we will call size 5. So let's do the 5. Up, down. So it's the biggest one, the biggest movement that you can do, but with isolation. So without adding some extra movement by arms or lower body. So it's just the biggest chest lock that you are able to do. So up, down, and try to do and feel how you feel this, how your body reacts to this size of your movement. but again, without adding an extra movement in the other body parts. Good. Okay, and your elbow locks down, so biggest, but without rotating the palms. Yes, good. So it's our size 5. And now let's find something in between, so 2 and 4. So for chest locks, 2 will be a little bit more than the 1, but still not your usual size. And 4 will be more than your usual size, but not the biggest one, not the maximum. Okay? And so now we have 5 sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will do one chest up and down, lift and drop, and we will go from 1 to 5 and from 5 to 1. So it will be size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay? So we do the chest locks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, biggest one, and down 3, 2, the minimum. Bigger, 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 biggest, and slow it down to the minimum. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do the same with our hip. So right, left, and then we change size. So starting with the minimum, right? Left, second size, and 3, and bigger 4, and biggest 5, and down to 4, 2, 3, and 2, and let's speed it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, biggest, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and let's do the shoulder ups and downs. So size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do the same with the chest, hips, and shoulder, but twice the speed. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do it with the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And with the shoulder. So let's do the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Good, okay. So probably you feel that some body parts react more natural to the sides changing than the other parts. So it's totally okay, and we find the points that we are not so comfortable with and work with it more. Of course, we have other body parts, so we can apply this concept to the points of the head, chest slides, chest forward and back diagonals, or belly in out, or any other points that we can invent in our practice. So you can just think about some direction that you want to practice, for example, head slide, yeah, and start to work with this size changing. So it will be already a very nice practice for isolation. So we not only have some directional moves, but we also have some continuous moves, which are like figure eights, circles, and waves. So we also can apply this concept to this continuous movement. Okay, so let's do the chest circle, clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter now. So we just go smallest, one, and then bigger, and your neutral size, and bigger, and biggest, and down to the first two, and smaller, small, bigger, 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 the biggest, and smaller, smaller, smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2,